2024 campaign. BB by a near friend LGBTQ plus bill. Listen to me. And the Yam Yanisa presenters knows the truth, but they are being so political, so they cannot even tell the truth. Me who presenters are role as presenter. Ya keso be en semtronia or shem ehunu no kore any atro. But then and na ye time we no. This particular era we no.
I was for mamu na makwaba at the Bagana and 7 TV so. Bawumia Sofo like video na be subscribe to the channel no turn on notifications next time. Videos of this nature about on sabeti makabi. And so watch all your comments section on the sir. So the money I'm Mr. President. Me wasa me besom. Until by chance na o show me background a new background I use. New place I menya me person me set studio am the so and I'm the some Ghana 7 TV for afo nyina. Two person boy na set studio na wadaroma. Na mada das no friend number na so Mr. President. On sabe kame. Na do wan bia me ni beso na me da was pan so. Na eye osofo aye friend no. Ajenim boati. Aye. You didn't hear right. I think Ghana Hadi is one of the few men of God that be saying poor bone buse wuti Christo sem. And I said the BSc no akuma what you do na hu de wonya. What na na uti na the reason to trust and believe and rely on God. Now consistently already waka because of Bawumia Sofo, and it's not because of Bawumia Sofo, but I think honestly speaking he always speaks from the perspective of Christianity. And since day one, Omani crystal clear. Sebi asofo ni bi o my room, Sebi Madaroma. Eye NPP na eye Dr. Bawumia na eye Christo Ghana. They should be very careful. Na no about out aba be kasafa anti-LGBTQ bill no. Abusuya na meti preaching we no afina me ana mabupusa afina me ana I was saying agume, and I believe this is the kind of voices I hear, or these are the kind of voices we've always been yearning for. Say sorry no e wa not say sabedu ana aduru no kwase be wo mu ne say Kira John Dramani Mahama eni ya wo she Ghana from nko nhye nkodu sa senka sorry no ewo enne emu odi tse papa no ebi mienu ana miensa nka eni se menyoku no se do mo fa Kristo so mo nya hwe no ka enkodu sa se ka sorry no ewo ne pesa so be mienu ana miensa bia nka politicians en sha sorry ne ya se do mo hye no ene edi ne besi a ebema Assemblies of God elder akogina public stage so akase LGBTQ is not our priority. Na ya dear ben the chance we be man na yonko be ma sebi ene woda. Ya dear ben the chance we oba na yonko ba sebi e fa wo. Ya dear ben the chance ya dear. Wakasa. And I strongly believe in whatever he said. Na nyo no kwa. You see Ghana ha opesofo ba ko a asai se wo chire nyamesem pa so wo ye campaign man disi pa yiro okwa ajiman. Ai. Ono shakasa. Osi John Dramani Mahama odi enka. Na se so for brobe e wo obia ba beka. But I like the fact that isi no anka na no ntum wo bie no na kan kwadre se ono nsuru tumi o kan kore e de hye wade edimonya. Abusa me ncha wo pi mu enkwani enko video no bra.
2024 campaign. BB by a new friend LGBTQ plus bill. Listen to me. And the Yam Yanisa presenters knows the truth, but they are being so political, so they cannot even tell the truth. Me who presenters are role as presenter. Ya keso be en semtronia or shem ehunu no kore any atro. But then and ye time we no. This particular era we no. We don't have journalism. We have party presenters. Party presenters. 2024. Bill, your friend LGBTQ plus bill became one of the reasons why Ghana rose up so serious and voted against MPP. And then MPP party leader, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, it was one of the reasons why Ghana voted against MPP. Economically, things were hard. The dollar rate was high. So there was no way MPP could have won that election. It is a fact. But Adeba Ghana for Gina to Abapa. LGBTQ plus. The fact that I am a servant of God does not mean I am not the voice of the nation. No. Yehunu asofwa kesia on the LGBTQ plus. A year campaign against MPP. I am not against them. I am against what they did and what they are doing now. Big men of God in Ghana.
This is Angel 102.9.
You sue LGBTQ plus. And the campaign serious to the extent of the then MP and now Minister of Information, Sam George. I can say my kesiye bebre. Asofo bi tisa Prophet Kofi Oduro. Asofo bi tisa Reverend Kum Chacha, Odifo Kum Chacha. Asofo kesiye at the LGBTQ plus bill. We are in 2026, 1 year now. Do we still have the same men of God in Ghana? Why are we selling our clerical for money? Do we still have the same bold men and women of God that use LGBTQ plus as a campaign message against MPP? Do we still have these same bold men of God in Ghana? Presenters, radio journalists are hard war, and you see the same thing, and everybody is behaving as if the bill is already signed. Nobody is talking about it again. Are we safe as a country? It is here the Asafri, the Kaiser, Reverend Wingam, Assemblies of God, so Penimuninado Mujim. And then now everybody is behaving, there is no bill. Call it LGBTQ plus. Is this what Christianity is all about? Why are we being unfair as men of God? Money is not everything. Don't let money shut your mouth. If it is not good for the ganja, it must not be good for the other one. Yaya politics ama abe wura sorry them and no wura sorry them unya sabi nyamia sempapa biantie. Yeah, did the whole service measure politicians don't come. And then now everybody is quiet. LGBTQ plus bill has been signed 2025. Yeah, sign my dean. Nyame shamu. God is watching you people. Nyame shamu. Me metie. Enya sophobia na ne de omwa wake semefia. Yeah. Nyame nkan ya won't me yon or cancel blessing meko. But the truth must always be the truth. Some of you is a disappointment to the clergy. Some of you are very disappointment. Ye dede wo ho 1 year ni obi anka ho asem because e binu ma men. Onyame hwa yo. God is watching everybody. And before the judgment seat of God, your friend is saying, Nyamia temu jananim no, yenim bishop, yenim evangelist, yenim reverend, yenim prophet. Before the judgment seat of God, yenim eye wona de no kure enante ye. Money has bought the church. Money has bought the church.
Broku 37 military hospital. Ama obi be wi. Oh Ghana ha?
No Ghana.
One Ghana offense. Some go for your from say akwa can say
democracy hub.
No democracy. Obi be wi. Ama ebusa organizers almost na Ghana for sabe. Ghana for we. Baku na eden. Why and some are catch a gunner for 2024. Some are kind now, so gidigidi. And you are one of the champion guys, Sam George. I would dear Nimu. On Sabe catch her say, videos are air babon air how because you did it. Said a bear or party, a bam. I mean, funny born in channel.
Now, Mahama for some pedal.
Chairman.
Again, how I no pay.
Chairman General never have say Galam said yeah, okay.
There be a car, Galam say, LGBTQ.
Chairman, I know the old candidate said I don't say war Makumano.
Are they?
LGBT no. Chairman, LGBT I said the mechanic you can as a father so I'm a happy man. When you ready, Kafra. I'm telling you. Because Chairman, for the life of me, tias here, the Beman Nipa be a junior yen say. Share. Pretty joy city hey. No one never kono. Share jare. Chairman, how do I imagine that?
Another straight bullet better jayaji.
Say Bema say. Onuni we asi a obaye no. Bema na ne kon don no a opeso one ne da. Yes we nye yare. And then we are struggling with the best well Chairman 2024 obi obeka kire say LGBT whatever it is no. Na enye key issue in deciding the fate of our election no obi be hokan. The clergy, Christendom, Islam, and a traditional info nyina sorry tia MPP because President Akufo-Addo was not courageous enough and sign. And now almost so crown e almost and say time of parliament we bill no also one sign no. Now who kwan say bill no o ma ye de brew.
Yeah.
Now what throw back and the old member of common parliament back say bill now mo de buy and me hwe mu no ma who munya ho adwuma yes I mean sign and now he could have referred it to council of state.
Yeah.
Wa anya sa and whatever happened when to me answer me no dey ahinka we were never silent in this house. Papa, because that is principle.
Sure.
Chairman, how on earth will you say, ene we enye echina de enye? Now, many power yes, I am who are me for serious view. So we yes, I am who say, ene, Oba Juma who say Chairman General say blue shirt, what's blue, and yet. E kala nye o wiase ni se nipa wa adwene adwuma wo hye Matias here ade hye na wo de wo apam blue hye
say o say enye priority say wa chenya enye priority
president Akufo-Addo mene say on sign no priority when like now nim chairman the greatest deception in the room President Mahama Sam George any NDC for anasa abren omo president Akufo-Addo mene kan hu bi no na omo de omanya kwan ya adwuma wo parliament dan nim say in the life of a parliament say bill bi ba na president asente na say sa parliament ni free ho a bill no awu this year sabe she bibia ase foforo
no correct
okay sa conversation they never said that all they said was that motoma ye ne ye ba ya mesign because President Mahama will know no peace from me Sam George and indeed no President Mahama nankasa so can say or your assemblies of God ni gideate motoma me ba ya mesign motoma me ba ya mesign chairman hwe Ghana Catholic Bishops Conference on me no ma ye adwuma bebre ni ade kakra na
yeah
chairman say when omu si jina omu take a decision on issue aho no they are so convinced say ade we say ne say no a bibia ni abeka bishops you mbeti ase chairman go to heaven and come but omu so omu jina no e ho no omu jina and time no omu take a decision about LGBT no you could see that anger in them in the Catholic Bishops Conference you could see it say because ye chiwade eye musio yenka ade ayem moso nka nipa ho yet yenya Sam George nom okujeto nom President Mahama himself Sameja Mfinom in fact eno nyuma na mebo Sam George videos you are say a vote for Bawumia and Napo a vote for TTT so kika sanya mani nyina knowing very well say sa bill no a 8th parliament nantima anya ho adwuma nwie no say sa parliament no kwa ninth no ba just osan sha ase foforo now see the irony enema na wo bill no na mo gina President Akufo-Addo so say on sign no mo de mo ba ya mo see enema bi wo saa bi no mu a esese ye yi firi mu a ansa na yasan
ani e fa no koto de
what are you saying
nyanya nche de emfa no nko
chama bi on do mbo obi anyi bibi emfi
but nana sa LGBT ade munyi ni se ye de abeye amanyosem dodo
de omo na basa
esan se only psychologist edin komo only omo a ebia omoma etesa obi wo ho a eye ni genes eye ni hormones and amana banesa sa ankrofo no na yenye omodai
okay
yen kase esane se yesusu nyase ni enim se kodwo besia ho yehu om yenye omote na nkasem bia ni ho enti adena se ya amana be amanyo se
ya amana be asem no ne se tama na yesusu na kodwo besia ho no kodwo besia ma me kan kire ye da se ye ma no kwan ma publicly o magina ba oten ka so okoware kodwo besia
okay
even if they practiced it
na
silent memeti chairman me rejoice squad them obi ani dey resi ho me ni ntem asem but when we try say dey besi o them on here dey ba bonte an ba ka chairman for say me rejoice say ni epe entu munyina mo nso munyi ntu na mo nye ne saa that is where the problem is
exactly
enti be den be amanyo se
say on say ye democracy na ye no omo hu say politicians na hu say ye nyanyini nu ba bia ye be fa issues critically